Looking ridiculous, huh?
Dude, I don't give a fuck about your preference, but all this shit, kids are confused enough growing up, and then you're gonna sit there and do all this shit in front of them and not confuse them more.
Yeah, I mean, I don't care what you do, just leave the kids out of it.
Yeah.
You know.
But kids are too easily influenced at a young age, you know?
Yeah, you don't give them a choice at that young of an
No.
age. You just gotta give them some sense of a direction, and the way that they're sending them is not the way it should be.
No, because they're making them sound like, half of them are making them sound like they're weird if they're not gay.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah, that's what's stupid.
Yeah, and that's not right. Well, I got all the cocksuckers out of it, dude.
Oh, I appreciate it.
Stuck motherfuckers anyway.